but listen. As we embark on this adventure today...
I'm fixing to put this down.
Yeah,
Is that
but
what you're gonna...
Here, turn around. Let's get this.
I feel like this is scary.
Look at me here. As we embark on this adventure together,
yeah,
I want you to promise you're not going to wear your heart on your sleeve over here, because if you get...
I don't wear it anywhere else.
If you get instructed with some urgency to do something, I'm not yelling at you. I'm trying to keep you safe. Okay?
Got it.
All right. So we're not going to have no, I'll just go to the house, or...
I can't promise anything.
No, I don't want no tear stains on your shirt or your snot on your sleeve or nothing, all right?
Well,
y'all remember that, okay? I gave fair warning that...
We'll see at the end of this video how that
you might get talked to a little bit, so...
Give me a kiss, then, to start it off.
Hey.
All right, guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Bar 7 Ranch, and we are back at working on the feedlot pens. Today, you have me helping Cody. It's Sunday. Clance and Cody worked on this all day yesterday, and we gave the kids a little day off to have some fun, a little sibling time together. So, I'm the helper today. So, aka gopher or whatever. So far, I went and got the tractor and brought it over here. So we'll see. We'll see what's in store, and I'll try to video while we're working. I'm not very good at that when we're both working. So here we go. Right now we're just getting the panels brought out that we're going to tack up, and Cody's just trying to get all these panels tacked up so that Clance has all of them to get welded up while he's working this week. What you need?
Huh?
What you need?
Oh, we got to mark
our
end points and stretches of string so we know where the top goes.
Okay.
I don't need nothing. You're doing great. But listen, as we embark on this adventure today...
I'm fixing to put this down.
Yeah,
Is that
but
what you're gonna...
Here, turn around. Let's get this.
I feel like this is scary.
Look at me here. As we embark on this adventure together,
yeah,
I want you to promise you're not going to wear your heart on your sleeve over here, because if you get...
I don't wear it anywhere else.
If you get instructed with some urgency to do something, I'm not yelling at you. I'm trying to keep you safe. Okay?
Got it.
All right. So we're not going to have no, I'll just go to the house, or...
I can't promise anything.
No, I don't want no tear stains on your shirt or your snot on your sleeve or nothing, all right?
Well,
y'all remember that, okay? I gave fair warning that...
We'll see at the end of this video how that
you might get talked to a little bit, so...
Give me a kiss, then, to start it off.
Need my gloves? Hey,
oh.
These little ones are going to be for you.
I can't... My little pinky finger won't go in this
these
one.
These are Clarence's.
Well, I don't know how he gets his pinky in this one. This one. Feel that.
You got your ring?
Feel that. What happened?
You don't even need this one. That's just... Yeah, you can get your finger in there if you try.
Can't even put my little pinky finger in that.
Or here, you can wear those red ones right there.
All right. I really liked your gloves, though.
I really like my gloves, too. That's why they're mine.
I guess I could go back to the house and get mine like I was going to.
Yeah, you can go do that. You got a little time. It'll take me a minute to get this going, so go do that.
Let me have the orange ones. I might just wear those.
They're too big. Go get the ones that fit you. These are going to be too big.
Let's see if these work. Oh, these are terrible. How would you ever have worn these when you've got those new ones now? These are too...
I didn't have them then.
How am I supposed to put these on? Look. Houston, we have a problem.
I done bought a whole 10
Houston.
pounds of welding rods, and I got 15 pounds of the exact same things in here.
Cody.
Yeah.
Do you see anything wrong with this picture?
They're both right-handed? That's all you need, the right-handed glove.
I guess I'm going back to the house to get me some gloves. check out that weld. Pretty good.
We'll see if it holds.
Why does it do that?
I need to do some adjustment work. Mom,
Yeah?
see if you can let the tractor down just a little bit.
Alright, I gotta see if I can let the tractor down. Guess we're working on the welder a little. Can't get Cody commentary because you can't hear it, so you're stuck with me, who knows nothing about the welder. Just know it's not acting right. Is that good? Does that sound gooder? Gooder? Does that sound better?
Sounds better, but I don't know if it'll stay there
When you start welding? Yeah. What?
You need that ratchet strap. You know how to take it loose on this thing?
Alright, I gotta go get the ratchet strap. I got on to him a minute ago because he took my job. He came over here and got some C-clamps. Or whatever you call those things. I was like, what? Why didn't you ask me to do that? He said, do you know how to take those loose? He said we didn't need it after all. Typical. Alright, I can't catch everything on video because I'm the helper, but I'll show you what we just did in case you care and you don't know how you do this. So this pipe right here, this big one that he's welding on, needed to be a little more level. So I hooked this ratchet strap up over here to pull the top of this pipe over and level it out a little bit. We were trying to do it by hand, but need a little bit more, so that's how we got it straight up and down. I guess plumb, not level, plumb. Let me use the right terminology. We had to get this pipe plumb. So that's what the ratchet strap is for. And then it uses the C-clamps to get the panel to the pipe. Down, let it all the way, just a little bit. I think I got it perfect on the first try, guys. Alright, so I'll show you what I'm doing, if you can hear me up here on the tractor. So what I'm doing up here, every time I get up here, is I'm just kind of putting the forks down just a tad, or raising them up just a tad to make sure that this panel is level before he starts welding. We got the chickens out here now, coming out in the sunlight. They were under the barn. Zoom in on them. We're gonna get more chickens if you didn't know. They're coming soon, very soon to our channel. Huh? Oh. Okay, go. Now you're good.
Huh?
Now you can go. Oh, now you gotta get that one. Teamwork. Okay, guys. Cody just said we're done welding, and he left me over here to roll up the leads, but I spent most of the time getting a drink of water and responding to some comments on YouTube. So now I'm gonna go roll up the leads before he gets back. He went to go get something to cut this panel off with. So I don't remember what he called it. So let's roll up the leads. Let's go, y'all. Why is that there? Okay. Let's pull straight up. Drive. I guess he's gonna yell at me because I can't look back and pull. There we go. Got it. All good. job. One down. I don't know how to tilt it. Pull it. This thing. To the right. Let's go to the barn. Let's go to the shop, Let's go to the shop. All right, let's go. I wanted to get this much further in. Let's lower down the bucket. Tilt it up. Lower it down. Let's turn her off. We made it to the shop. All right, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed listening to me try to tell you about the welding job that we were doing. Anyways, we're still excited about our feedlot pen, and this week Clancy's going to get to go in there after school every day and finish up the welds on all that stuff that Cody tacked up and that Clancy helped him tack up yesterday too. So, yeah. And Cody's truck messed up today, so now we're in a whole heap of mess. So, anyways, we hope y'all have a great week or day or whatever day of the week you're seeing this on, and tell us something good that happened to you today down in the comments below. We're gonna go put our new grill together and grill some meat tonight. The kids are going to bring home some vegetables for them to eat because Cody and I are still carnivoring. Clancy is too, but he can have a few veggies here and there. So anyways, y'all keep ranching, keep wrenching, keep welding, whatever you want to do. And thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe below, and we'll see y'all next time.